A fireplace should be the heart of a home, but this one was just noise. Red brick, dirty mortar, a projecting granite hearth that tripped everyone. The solution was not to decorate, the solution was to erase. The brick came down, the mantel came off, the hearth retracted into the floor. A single slab of Calacatta Viola marble, 3 meters tall, 2 meters wide, floor to ceiling, edge to edge, no gaps, no trim. The marble is honed, not glossy, soft to the eye, deep to the touch, a book-matched pair. The veins meet at the center like a folded landscape. A horizontal slot opens in the stone. Fire emerges from the solid mass. No visible firebox edge, just flame floating in stone, a slit of heat. Before, cluttered, busy, insignificant. After, sacred, silent, permanent. You do not decorate this fireplace. You sit in front of it, and you are small.